Hello and welcome to the Grow Hub. Today I'm going to be talking you through the LUMii Black 4-way and 8-way contactor timers, a simple and cost-effective way to manage your light schedule, allowing you to manage day and night cycles whether you're in the veg or the flowering stage of the plant life. The mechanical timer is really easy to program. It comes in 15-minute increments, while the relay switch will safely turn on your lights without overloading the contactor or the timer. The lightweight and flexible power bars take up to 13 amps each. We wouldn't recommend putting any more than 3,000 watts per bar. So to set them up, it's fairly easy. All you have to do is push down the pins into the on position, centrally locate your on and off switch into the timer position, plug your ballasts into the bar, and then plug the contactor timer plug into a 13 amps main socket. So there we have it, the LUMii Black 4-way and 8-way contactor timers. They are in stock and available now. Get involved.